Hello friends, good evening all of you. Today's session we are going to see about previous year question practice. So from Unit 1, Discrete Mathematics and Optimization. Yes, now we can move on to the video for directly. First one, you can see this is from first while seeing the question itself, we have to understand from which topic it has come. So directly it's showing that the linear programming problem. So last video itself, we have seen this one, LPP method in graphical concept. Yes, you can see now. Here they have given minimize z equal to 30x minus 18y, and this both equations they have given. But here they have given a value, b, c, d, e value, everything they have given. We are going to apply directly. We are not going to find out any diagrams or something. Okay, we are going to apply directly here. So it's a small sums only. Okay, first one, I will tell you just a how to apply this one. My value a4 comma 0, first one. Okay, I'm going to take this one. First 3x plus 4y, 3x plus 4y. So what is 3x? 3 into 4 plus 4 into 0. So this is called 12. 12 we got answer from this one. Less than or equal to 60. Is it correct? Is it correct? But then true only. So no, this is okay. Okay, good. So next one, I'm going to apply this equation. So 5x minus 3y greater than or equal to 20 they have given. Okay, let me see now. First 5x, 5 into 4 minus 3 into 0. So 5 into 4 what? 20. So 3 into 0 anyway is 0 only. Now greater than or equal to 20, greater than or equal to 20. So this is also true because 20 equal 20 is there. This is also true. So we can move on to the this one z value. So z value what? So 30x minus 18y. Yes. What is 30x? 30 into 4. Okay. Minus 18 into 0. So what is the value? 30 into 4, 120. So now my value, a value will be z is a 120. We have to fix it. Okay. This is first a value of found. B value I'll show you here. B value we can see directly. First one it has to both it has to be true. Then only we can find out z value. Otherwise no need actually. Now we can see 3 into 2 plus 4 into 0 equal to 6 we got. So 6 less than or equal 60, true, that's not a problem. Now we can see this is second equation, 5 into 2 minus 3 into 0. My value will be 10, but greater than or equal to 0. But so this is wrong, so not feasible. So feasible solution. So automatically no need to find out the z value. Yes. So B just we have to leave it the B value. Next one we can check C value. 3 into 7, 7, 5 we have to apply. Yes, 3 into 7 plus 4 into 5. So 21 plus 20, 41. 41 less than or equal to 60. This is true. Yes, okay. Next one, second equation. 5 into 7 minus 3 into 5 equal to 35 minus. So 35 minus 15, 20 we got. 20 greater than or equal to 20. So both are equal. This is also true. Okay, now we can apply for z value. So 30 into 7 minus 18 into 5, 210 minus 90, 120 value. Okay, so these are the values we have taken from A, B, C. Now D value we can apply. 3 into 0, 0 and 15 we have to apply. 0 here, 15 here. So what is 60 less than or equal to 60? This is true. Okay. Now second equation, 5 into 0 and minus 3 into 15. Here minus 45 I am getting, greater than or equal to 20. So this is wrong. Actually greater than or equal to 20 means this is not a greater than value. So not feasible solution. So no need to find out z value. That's all, we can leave it. Next one, E value. E value what? 8 comma 5. E value what? So here 8 comma 5. Now we can check 3 into 18, 4 into 5, 24 plus 20 is equal to 44 less than or equal to 60. So then what will happen? That is true. So okay, next one, what will happen? 5 into 8 minus 3 into 5. So 40 into 15. 40 minus 15. So my value 25 greater than or equal to 20. So automatically this is also true we are getting. So both are true. Now we can find out z value. Yes. So z is equal to 30 into 8 minus 18 into 5 is equal to 240 minus 90, 150. Okay. Now I got 120 A value, 120 C value and 150 E value. So which one is minimum value? Minimum is that occurs both A and C. So my value will be, answer will be A and C. So this is the answer. Okay, next question. Just we can check it here. The probability that A hits a target is, this is called 1 by 4. And the probability that B hits the target, this is 2 by 5. Yes, both should strike the target. What is the probability that at least one of them hits the target? That A or B or both hit the target. So this is the question. Okay, now we can find out first one, P of A and P of B. So what is the formula first one? This is, we have to understand P of A union B equal to, what is the formula? P of A and plus P of B. Yes, minus, just as this I'll show you here, you can see minus P of A intersection B. Okay, and one more formula also I told you while taking the probability. So P of A intersection B formula what? P of A dot P of B. P of A dot P of B. Okay, so using that formula only we are going to do now. Okay, first one, what is the P of A value? 1 by 4. P of B value 2 by 5. Okay, now we can see one by one. First, this is the formula. P of A union B is equal to, this is the formula. So before finding this one, I need to find out this A intersection B, because I know P of A and P of B, that's all. So I need to find out this A intersection B. A intersection B, how to find out? I told you already, P of A dot P of B. So P of A into P of B, this is P of A intersection B. Now 1 by 4 into 2 by 5. Just I am calculating, multiplying. So what is the value? 20, 2 by 20. So my value 1 by 10. This is P of A intersection B. I got this value. Now we can apply P of A union B is equal to, we can apply. What is P of A value? 1 by 4. What is P of B value? 2 by 5. What is P of A intersection B? 1 by 10. We got already. Now we can make it this one. Everything we can make as a same denominator. It will be best actually. So here 20, we can take 20 means here 5, and plus here 20 means what? Here multiply with 4. 2 into 4, 8. And here 20 means 2. We have to multiply 20. Here 2. So just we can make it 5 plus 8 what? 5 plus 8, 13. 13 minus 2, 11. So 11 divided by 20 will be the answer. Okay, so 11 divided by 20 will be the answer. Just a formula we are going to apply. So already I told you, actually the discrete mathematics full and full, this is formulas. Just I'll send you in the Word format. Just in WhatsApp group. Okay. Okay, this is very important concept. Okay, next you can see match the list 1 and list 2. So first we have seen about the preposition is the connectivities. The same concept here they have given. So here we need to find out PQ values. This is what we have seen, connectivities and operation, or operation, not operation, as well it's a implement just if then operator and bidirectional operation also. Okay, so using that one we have to see, this is, we need to find out, this is full and full one table, and we need to find out this full and full one table. So it will be best actually. Separately, one separately, if we'll find out means it will take long time. So that's why I'm telling. I will tell you now how to create table only. That's all. Okay. So first you can see this in this input. I'll show you. P, Q. I have minus P also. Okay, minus P also. Negative P also I have. I need. So next one what? P implementation. P implement Q. Next one, here this one I need to find out first this one. So negation of P, this and Q. Okay, and we need to find out P R. This is P and Q. Then so both join, three join together. This for this one I am going to apply. For example, I am taking X means I am going to apply negation of X. Okay. Then I need to find out P bidirectional Q also. So these are the things we need to find out for left side, and right side we have to make it like this, and we need to find out because they will give you some papers only. So but this is the connectivity is very important. If you will do practice well, actually we will do we will complete this one with without any problem. Some questions we used to say no, it won't come, we will get mistakes, but we won't get any mistakes in this type of sums. So here handwritten format I have given. Kindly just refer this one. This is left side I have done. This is right side. This one I have done. If you have any questions regarding this, even you can ask in the comment section or WhatsApp group also. Okay. And next one. This today we will complete you in this sum itself. Just after completion of this sum. In a group of 120 people, totally 120 people. So 65 eat rice. So 65 it is what I told you here. P of A union B union C equal to formula I have given. P of A plus P of B plus P of C, yes, minus P of A intersection B minus P of B intersection C minus P of A intersection C plus P of A intersection B intersection C. This is the formula. Actually, I told you that formula I have given, and anyway, I have given everything. Okay, just for your purpose, just I am telling you. Okay, now we can see first one 65 plus rice 65 plus 45 plus 42 minus both rice and bread 20 minus 25 minus 15 plus eat all three items. This is called A intersection B intersection C. This is 8. So we can do this sum also, one of the method. Yes, just we can find out another method is very important method. I already have taken that also. This is for example I'll tell you, this is Venn diagram method. Everything I have given next slides, but anyway just I'll show you. First one, this is rice, this is bread, and this is curd. Okay, so this is called first one 65. This is actually 45. This is 42. We can take. Now this is 20. Both rice and bread we can take. It's a 20. So 20. Okay. So rice and curd 25. Rice and curd 25. Next one is both bread and curd. Rice and curd means this is 25. Sorry, this is 25. Bread and curd 15. 15 here. Okay. Now we can take three items all together minus 8. Minus 8 what answer? This is 2. Here minus 8 what answer? This is 7. This is 8 actually. This is minus 8 what answer? 25 minus 8. This is 17 I think. Okay. Now 65 minus this three things. So this three things we need to add in the can find out. This is color. I will make it. just you can see to this color. This is the diagram, you see, this is the diagram, yes. So we need to cover this three things up. Minus this 2, this 8, this 17. 2 plus 8 plus 17. So equal to what? 2 plus 8 10, 27. 65 minus 27. 65 minus 27 what? So I have written everything here. See here 28. So 28. Okay. So here 45 minus 2 plus 8 plus this 7. 7. So what? 45 minus 17. So what is the value? 45 minus 17. This is actually 35. 35 minus 7 actually 28. Okay. So like this we have to 42 minus. So 17, 8, 7 plus 17 plus 8 plus 7. So what is the value? 17, 8, 7. This is 10. Sorry, here 18 I think. This is 10 it will come. Okay, now we have to add it 28. So 28, 2, 8, 17, 7, 18. This is 18. This is 10. Everything we have to add it. We will get answer. You can see first 28. This is 12. This is 8, 17, 7. This is 18. This is 10. Everything we have to add. Last will get 100. This is one of the method. And this is also method, one of the method. This is a it's this topic coming under principle of inclusion and exclusion concept for probability. Okay, so here P you can take A union B or R intersection B, whatever. This is up to us, no problem. Here directly they have given this is called rice and bread and curd. That's all. We can take A union B also, that formula also. So using that formula, we are getting 100. So same method formula output only. We can use two methods. This is also one of the important question. Actually, we have seen the same model. We have seen already. This is nearest last set. I think 24 or 25 sets of question paper. Okay. I hope it is clear. If it is not clear, again, I'll tell you, you can ask in the WhatsApp group also, or you can ask in the comment section also. Sure, I will explain you again. Okay, so next we can see in the live session, maybe still we have lot of questions. Not only so this is a sample questions I have given. So many questions we need to practice as the previous year questions. It will be best to get more this one, practice. Okay, so do well, all of you. If you just subscribe this channel and watch a full video. Thank you, all of you. Thank you once again.